Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about phone calls. Hey everybody, Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we're going to be talking about phone calls. And yet again, continuing our theme over the last several weeks, we are just going to be nailing these scalable, repeatable things in our businesses that we can be utilizing daily that are going to take our business to the next level and just rock it, right? And phone calls are hands down one of those things. Nobody likes to make phone calls, and that's why most people don't make as many as they should, and that is also why a lot of people's businesses are not nearly as successful as they should be. If you are scared of making phone calls, please don't be. Check out some of my other videos on our Breakthrough YouTube channel. I have a bunch on there where I'm making phone calls, and you'll see I'm not scared to call leads. I call leads that are years old and have not been to our website in years. It should help you overcome. Most people are really nicer than we think, and if you are optimistic and believe people want your help, and you believe people want to answer, it is amazing. And I know this makes no sense logically speaking, but more people pick up the phone. I'm one of the most optimistic people you're going to meet, and it's amazing how often I hear from people how I have better success on a phone than many other people do, and I can't associate it to anything but optimism. Offer help, sound fun on the phone, make it exciting. So today what I'm challenging you to do is pick one angle, and we're going to be coming back around, so you don't need to feel the need to call everybody all at once. Pick one thing, whether it's your listing leads, your past clients, your buyer leads, your friends and family, somebody in your farm, people from open houses, whatever it might be. Choose those people, call them, offer them some value, have fun with them, and see what comes from it. Make at least 20 or 40 phone calls today, and keep track of your results below. And let me know if you find a script that works for you, what angle you're using. If you're calling buyers and you said something that worked, please share your results below. Let's keep growing this community. Let's keep helping each other out. And this is just, it's really, really exciting. How much business we could all generate together and how many people we could help is just, it is just mind-blowing. So have fun with your calls. I'm gonna be right here alongside of you as well. And have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.